Hello everybody, today we make a chicken with the herbs and lemon. Now the herbs, it's everything from my garden. For the ingredients we got, breast chicken, I put already salt and black pepper. Chicken stock, I got a lemon, garlic, thyme, rosemary, parsley, and basil. Okay, now we start to chop the basil. At the same time, I put the rosemary together. Because this, everything gotta be chopped together. This is the thyme. And the parsley already I was chopped. And now, I got the garlic, and we chop the garlic two together. Now, squeeze this garlic a little bit, and we chop the garlic too. The smell is so good, fresh. Got this, everything of my garden. My garden is so beautiful. I hope that everybody in the garden do good. You see me, every morning what I do, I go to my garden and I whistle. And I sing a little bit. You see, the garden, you want to be happy. And like this, the garden is so thank you very much. Okay, now we got a parsley and we put everything together. And we give it a little mix now like that. Look. And now this is everything mixed. We put in this bowl over here. Okay, we put a little salt, not too much, because the chicken it's already salt everything. And we put black pepper. Okay, now we got lemon and we got oil. Okay, and the oil is enough. Got the chicken, I gotta cook the chicken and I use oil on the pots when I gotta cook now. Okay, now the warm up of the pots and we put oil. I got the oven on at 375 degrees. Oh boy, everybody be surprised about this. All right. And we put the chicken in now. And this we gotta cook both sides by a couple of minutes. Okay, now we did like 4 minutes on one side, now we turn on the other side, and look how beautiful. Huh? Okay, you gotta make sure to not burn the chicken. Alright, okay, I was cooking 4 minutes on the other side, and now we got a chicken stock. Alright. Okay, a little bit more. It's enough. Chicken stock, it's enough. Cook a little bit with the chicken stock. Okay, now it's the time to put all this stuff on the top of the chicken. That's it. This you gotta go in the oven. Before you go in the oven, we put 2 slices lemon each breast chicken. Now I got in the oven at 375, and let's put in the oven another chicken. Okay. Now we gotta wait to cook at 375. And we see after what it come out, and I want to eat so nice outside, and with a nice glass cold wine, white. Oh, Stella. Okay, 25 minutes my chicken. Now, let's take it out, let's see. It looks beautiful. Nice. All right, now what I do, I bring on the table, I want to taste. Okay, now let's taste my chicken. It's beautiful. Okay, Let's take one piece out, the other piece out. Look how beautiful. Nice, and with the little green on the top. Yeah. Really, really good. And with this you can cook a pasta and you make a lemon pasta. It's really good. And now with a nice glass of wine, nice cold. Salute e cincin everybody. It's really delicious. I hope somebody make this, it gets really good. Chin chin, salute everybody. Chin chin. Thank you so much.